Hi, my name is Maitreyi and I'm going to make a grilled cheese sandwich. Now for this I'm taking a whole wheat bread, add a spoon of sauce. I'm using some mayonnaise and ketchup mix. For vegetarian version use veg mayonnaise. Spread it out evenly. Now add some salad leaves. I'm going to add some lettuce, some onion, and some tomatoes. I'm adding cherry tomatoes. You can use normal tomatoes. I'm going to squeeze in some lemon, add a little bit of pepper. On the other slice I'm going to add some cheese and then close the sandwich. Press it down and in a hot pan add a spoon of butter. Add the sandwich. Press it down. Now to cook it faster I'm going to use a bowl filled with water and I'm going to press it down. This will create a uniform golden brown crust on the bottom and will also make the veggies mix well with the cheese. For healthier version you can skip the cheese. Now wait few minutes. Now I have used only onion and tomato. You can use some grated carrot, grated beetroot. You can use some boiled potatoes. I'm going to check my sandwich. Nice and brown. Now I add a little bit more of butter. Then I'm going to flip the sandwich. Back on the pan, I'm going to add this. And this will not take a lot of time. Whenever you're hungry, it's very easy to make this. And it also fills your stomach well. I have used mayonnaise and ketchup mix, but you can also use some mint chutney if you have. You can use chili flakes instead of pepper. Just a few more seconds. Would like to check it again. It's done. Now I put it on the plate and that's it. That's how I make a grilled cheese sandwich. Thank you.